Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the POWERADD EnergyCell 10,000. 10,000. Ultra compact, high speed charging. It is a portable charger. Whoa! Smallest and lightest 10,000 mAh power bank, which is compatible with iPhone 11, XS, X and 8, etc. And of course the Plus models too. Samsung S10, Google, LG, iPad, and more. Because there are so many connectivities. It has a mini size and a large capacity. This is the smallest 10,000 mAh portable charger on the market, I think. I did not see another so cute and tiny little portable charger on the market. Only 0.98 inches to 1.95 inches to 4.05 inches, and it's only 6 pound wide. This is not so much. It is a lightweight and it is so small and tiny and cute. But you have a high density battery cell inside. We're going to use the high quality premium battery pack in the energy charging system. It is density increased by 20% and monomer capacity increased by 35% than the normal cells before, to ensure smaller size and better performance. And it contains high speed charging, 2.4 ampere output, fully charged the iPhone XS in 1.5 hours, and it provides Samsung S9 a fully charged in 2 hours. Less time to charge, more time to go out. Oh yeah, let's have a party with it. And you have a widely compatibility. It works with all iPhones out there, no problem. It works with iPad Air, Air 2, iPad itself, no problem with it. Samsung Galaxy S10, Edge, Kindle Fire, Huawei, OnePlus, Honor, Xiaomi, all them, Motorola, Blackview, and more. We'll get a POWERADD EnergyCell 10,000 power bank, one time the portable pouch, one time the micro USB cable, and of course one user manual. But it's so easy, you will not need this manual, because it's really easy. POWERADD, established in 2010 as a leading electronic manufacturer. It is dedicated to the most up-to-date electronic products and 3C accessories. They create accessibility, convenience, and reputation by supplying the most user-friendly high-tech power banks, Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth keyboards, solar panels, power strips, adapter, and a wide variety of mobile phone-related cables, cases, and headphones, etc. And of course, this power bank, POWERADD EnergyCell 10,000, easy to take with you everywhere because of the compact size. The EnergyCell is the smallest 10,000 mAh power bank. It has a compact size, high density battery cell, and it uses the same premium battery cells as a Tesla Model 3, for example. The energy density increased by 20% and monomer capacity increased by 35% than the normal car cells out there, to ensure the smaller size and the better performance. Oh yeah. I'm using this, for example, if I have a dark set out there, a dark location, and I have the halo LED spots, and they do not contain a battery, I'm using this power bank to get the energy into these halo rings. It's really awesome and easy. Because of this power bank, my LED rings are free from power supply out of the wall, for example. You can, or I can, use it as I like, where I like. The capacity 10,000 mAh, 37 watt hour. The battery type is 21700 battery cell. The input is 5 volt, 2 ampere. That means you can get the power from your power supply at home with a smartphone AC adapter into it, or you can use your computer, or you can use your iPad Pro. The USB output is 5 voltage, 2.4 ampere. And the size is really small. These are 103 millimeters to 49.5 millimeters to 25 millimeters. It's so tiny. And the weight is 172 gram. It's really not big. It's tiny, but it's powerful. That it is. Because I bought it because of my LED rings. And that works. POWERADD EnergyCell 10,000. Ultra compact high speed charging. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.